Here are the learning outcomes. At the end of this module, the students should be able to first, identify the three forms of efficient markets. And the second one, define the weak form, semi-strong form, and the strong form of the theory. And our last, differentiate the can and cannot beat the market. So let's just discuss first the definition of terms for our reference and further discussion. We have here the fundamental analysis. Analysis of various public information. For example, the sales or the profits about a stock. Ibig sabihin, ito ay ang pagsusuri ng iba't ibang pampublikong impormasyon. Isa rito ang mga benta o kita tungkol sa isang stock. Then we have here the technical analysis. Analysis of patterns in historical prices of stock. O ang pagsusuri ng mga patterns sa mga makasaysayang presyo ng ating stock. And we have the weak form of efficient market theory. It asserts that stock prices already incorporate all past market trading data and information, or the historical price information. Ibig sabihin, isinama na ng mga presyo ng stock ang lahat ng nakaraang impormasyon ng kalakalan sa merkado o ang impormasyon sa makasaysayang presyo. Then we have here the semi-strong form of efficient market theory. It asserts that stock prices already incorporate all publicly available information. So isinasama na ng mga presyo ng stock ang lahat ng impormasyong magagamit sa publiko. And we have here the strong form of efficient market theory. It asserts that stock prices already incorporate all information, magiging publiko o pribado. Ito ay ang mga presyo ng stock na isinasama na ng lahat ng impormasyon. Then, these are the definition of terms that we encounter when we go beyond our topic. So, what is the theory of markets? Theory of markets was developed by Eugene Fama, the American economist. In this theory, stock prices are accurate, meaning they already give correct measure of the value of a stock based on all information.
To sum up the theory, the slogan, "Trust market prices," give us an accurate measurement of all possible information about the stock. The theory implies that investors cannot beat the market if they do a lot of research. Nangangahulugan ito na ang isang negosyo ay hindi mawawalan ng pera kung gumawa sila ng maraming pananaliksik. There are three forms of efficient markets: the weak form, the semi-strong form, and the strong form of efficient markets, as discussed by Clark, Jandig, and Vandenberg. Let us discuss first the weak form of the theory. The weak form suggests today's stock prices that it reflects all the data of past prices, and that no form of technical analysis can aid investors. So, if the weak form of the theory is true, then a technical analysis or an analysis of past prices will not yield new information and hence will not lead systematic profit. For the semi-strong form of the theory, the semi-strong form admits that because public information is part of a stock current prices, investors can utilize either technical or fundamental analysis. Though information not available to public can help investors, if the semi-strong form of the theory is true, going a fundamental analysis or gathering all the public data will still not lead to systematic profit. Lastly, strong form of the theory. The strong form version states that all information, public and not public, is completely accounted for in current stock prices, and no type of information can give an investors an advantages on the market. If the strong form of the theory is true, the investors still cannot gain systematic profit even if they gather information that is not yet publicly known.
Is the theory true? Well, this is an open question and various arguments that have been proposed up or against it. Is the theory true? This theory is often tested against various markets in the world. For example, in the Philippines, some investors might argue that there is a pattern to stock prices. If this is true, then analyzing historical prices can lead to gain or thereby discrediting the weak form of the theory. In some countries, they argue na ang stock prices ay magre-reflect sa lahat ng historical data. Kung totoo ito, this will not lead the systematic profit. And now, we move forward to our last topic, which is we can or cannot beat the market. We can beat the market. The first one is knowing more information about stock can help us to determine the best place to invest. Then, in we cannot beat the market, much information about stocks are public. We cannot profit from what everyone else knows. Then, in we can beat the market, it takes time before stock prices can respond to new information. If I invest quickly enough, then I can gain some profit. Then in the other side, stock prices already reflect all the given information about the stock. Since all stocks are correctly priced, we cannot buy undervalued stock or sell overvalued stock. In the other side, in order to assess all information, I need time and resources. May profits may actually just be equal to all costs in analyzing the information. And the last one, several people have gained millions or even billions from stock trading. Everything gained is by chance. As in lotteries, it is very unlikely to win, but someone is bound to win. To sum up, the theory of the market is effective. But no one can regularly purchase or sell rapidly enough to take advantage of new information about company since prices move so quickly. The theory of efficient markets states that when new information comes into market, it's immediately reflected in stock prices and thus neither technical nor fundamental analysis can generate excess returns. Efficient markets eliminates the possibility of beating the market, because any information to any trader is already incorporated into the market price. As the quality and amount of information increases, the markets become more efficient, reducing opportunities for any arbitrage and above market returns. That would be all, and once again, thank you so much for listening.